Do we say at night, in the morning, or on a holiday? Prepositions of time and place confuse everyone. Let's fix that today. Now, learners of English often guess between at, in, and on. But guessing leads to mistakes. The good news, there are some clear rules. Here are 3 rules you can trust. Rule 1. At is used for exact times and fixed points. For example, the manager has an appointment at 5 p.m. 2. In is used for longer periods and spaces. For example, the castle was built in the Middle Ages. Rule 3. On is used for specific days, dates and surfaces. For example, I saw him last on his birthday. Here are a couple more examples. Listen carefully. They are all correct and you can copy them and use them in English. She sleeps in the morning and works at night. The sailors were very tired because they had been at sea for over 2 months. I saw the article on the back of the page of the newspaper. Got it? Here's the cheat code. Use at for a specific point, in for a specific period, and on for a specific day or surface. Would you like more practice? DM me and get my free ebook. Fundamentals and Fluency Fast.